Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to translate posts on X. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an X application. You can see over here X application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. What you have to do is simply scroll down and find the post that you want to translate, or you can simply go to the post that you want to translate. Once you find that post, simply tap on the post. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. If this post can be translated, you'll be able to find the option for translate post over here. Simply tap on it. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the post will be translated and you'll be able to see the translated version. So like this, you'll be able to translate the post. So that is how you translate posts on X. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.